Hey, I'm Sharon and this is Denny.
Hi.
We're here with Prima Marketing and we're representing the DIY versus the crafter. So we're gonna take our stick and style stencil rolls. I'm gonna use a crafty method and make a tag, and Denny is gonna try to keep up with me with his chalk base. So we picked two different styles. Mine is a Tea Rose Garden. So it's a sticky roll, it's repositionable, and you can use it over and over. So we're both gonna pick ours. What did you get, Denny?
I'm using Calypso Lattice.
Oh, I love that one because it has a lot of coverage, but my rose, I don't know. So they're 4 inches wide. We're gonna put it on watercolor paper. Hey, keeping your space. This is a friendly challenge, right?
Oh.
Yes?
Okay.
I don't know if there is going to be a winner. We might just tie this. He's going to end up encroaching on my space. I know it.
It is a small mat.
I know, but I did bring it, so there's that. I'm going to share it. Okay. All right, so we have ours, and it's on here, and adding a little bit extra helps it stick to the mat. And I'm using stencil brushes. What are you using?
I am using a silicone brush.
And your chalk paste?
And my chalk paste.
And we kind of picked out our own color palettes, so we're gonna just have fun. So I have different ReDesign waxes. They're similar to the Finnabair waxes, but in big tubs, and they're a little bit creamier, so they can go on furniture. And of course, yeah, hello.
Sorry.
Are you, oh good. We're good to go, so
ready?
Let's create. Ready?
Let's go.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh dear. I have to keep my eye on him. I want to see what he's doing, so I'm going to see if I got to step up the pace or not. So with these stencil rolls, you can brush on, you can spread on. Oh, I'm liking my results already.
I'm just putting the base layer on first.
Oh no. He's getting complicated over here.
Oh, is this timed?
No.
Oh.
I think there should be bonus points, though, if I finish first.
Well, okay.
So what are you trying to do? Are you layering?
I will be using 3 different colors to get more of a variegated look.
Okay, but doesn't the white, like...
The white will seal the edges for me.
Ah. Well, I am adding 3 of my favorite cool tones from the ReDesign Waxes. They come in tons of different colors. And I'm just kind of blending the edges. Where I stopped with one, I go over about a ½ inch so that my colors are gonna get this ombre blended effect. And I like to do the darkest last. And I think I'm gonna finish first. So what color are you adding next?
This is the Buxton Blue.
Oh, the chalk paste is amazing.
It is. It's thick and its consistency. You can manipulate it. You have plenty of work time.
So besides, obviously, on paper, it was created to use on what? What else can you use it for?
You can use it on furniture. You can use it on metal, wood, walls.
And the same with these ReDesign stick and style. They stick to anything.
I'm done.
Oh wait, I am done too. He just totally pulled out of the gate in front of me.
Well, then you lost.
I know, because I'm busy talking. But look at this magic. You're gonna get really clean, defined lines. Nothing seeps behind there. Ta-da!
And they're reusable.
And my wax is gonna be shimmery. Yeah, I let it just dry, and then it's reusable like up to 7-10 times.
Yeah.
And you can wipe it off if you want, like the chalk paste I usually wipe off with a wet wipe. And let's hold our things up. Good job.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.